dinner. She's having a dinner and she's inviting all of her family. And so my sister and I, who's a decorator, my sister is a decorator, we decided to do something just simple. We weren't gonna do anything spectacular. We just decided to do something simple, just for her. And so we just did this. We just put a little bit together, just for her 40th birthday. She said she didn't want anything spectacular. So my sister did her table as a gift to Nidra, So she did her table for her. It took us about a good maybe 3 or 4 hours just to decide on what we're gonna do just today. And so we're finishing up, and we're just showing just some of the little bit of what we've done. It's nothing spectacular, but it's simple, just a little simple get together with my daughter, her husband, her friends, and her family. And it's just to show her. And she just wanted to do something for her 40th